Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 common mistakes beginners make in English. Learning English is a journey, and it's natural to make some mistakes along the way. Today, we'll look at the most frequent mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Let's get started. A very common mistake is mixing up he and she when talking about people. It's important to remember, he is for males, boys, men, he is my brother. She is for females, girls, women, she is my sister. Practice using he and she correctly to avoid confusion when talking about people. Another common mistake is saying, I am with an age like this. I am 20 years. The correct way to say it is, I am 20 years old. She is 25 years old. Always include old when talking about age, or simply say, I'm 20. When talking about more than one item, beginners often forget to add an S to make the word plural. For example, I have 2 cars. Incorrect. I have 2 cars. Correct. Remember to use the plural form when talking about more than one item. Pay attention to the S sound at the end. Prepositions like in, on, and at can be tricky for beginners. Here's a quick guide. Use in for months, years, or inside a place. I was born in 1990. Use on for specific days or dates. We'll meet on Friday. Use at for specific times or locations. I'll see you at 5 p.m. Practice using these prepositions correctly to avoid misunderstandings. In English, using 2 negatives in a sentence can make the sentence confusing or incorrect. For example, I don't have no money. Incorrect. I don't have any money. Correct. Avoid using double negatives by sticking to just one negative word like not, don't, or no. By being aware of these mistakes, you'll be able to improve your English faster and avoid common errors. Keep practicing these tips, and you'll see your confidence grow in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!